Ayan, happy birthday, Jen. Eat all you can. Eat as you can. Oo, eat all you can. Eat as you can. Ayan, biryani rice. Meron silang biryani kambing. Meron silang biryani chicken biryani.
Beef pulao.
Oh, beef pulao.
This one pie.
Oh, then
Goat feet.
this one,
Chicken kebab.
chicken kebab. And
This one what?
chicken tandoori.
Chicken kebab.
Oh, chicken. This another one?
This one.
Beef.
Which one is the beef then?
These are all my friends, my kababayan. Happy birthday to Jennifer. The celebrant is this one. Happy birthday, beautiful celebrant. Yes, God bless you always. Be happy always. Oh. I like this one. Oo, baby. Try mo yan. Masarap yan, baby. I will pick my favorite. This is one of my favorites. So, oh. Ayan. Be graceful, Alma. Oh. Ang liit daw, sabi ng celebrant, bakit maliit daw to? Ayan. Kuha ko ng isa, guys. And this one. So, chicken again. Chicken again. So many chicken. This one, I wanna try this one.
Chicken pakora.
Chicken. Oh, so many chicken. Okay. Okay. Pero parang masarap to. Kuha ko ng isa. Ayan.
Why like a thing?
She want to diet. It's her birthday. Right?
Vlogger?
Mr. the mom. Mr. the mom. Ayan. Oh. Ito rin mga friend ko, guys. Ayan. Nice to meet you all. Celebrant.